When you log into Schoology, it will always take you directly to your Chorus dashboard. Your Chorus dashboard has all the courses that you are a student in. For example, science, social studies, home base, math, etc. On the right-hand side, you can see assignments that are overdue. Overdue means late. If you click on the assignment that is overdue, it will take you directly to the assignment that you need to complete. At any time, you can go back to your Chorus dashboard by clicking on Schoology in the top left corner. Now we're back on the Chorus dashboard. Underneath your overdue or late assignments are your upcoming assignments, or assignments that are going to be due soon. Now that we've done a tour of your Chorus dashboard, let's look at recent activity. Recent activity is kind of like a stream. The most recent or the newest updates and assignments from teachers are at the top, and the oldest are at the bottom. Now let's take a tour of all the things at the top of your Schoology page. First is choruses. Choruses is another word for class. If I click on choruses, I can see all of the classes that I'm a member of. If I click on the class, it will take me directly there. All of your choruses have a calendar at the top. The calendar shows what times you have full class meetings. The calendar also shows when you have independent work. If your teacher has small group meetings, you can click on the next slide to see your time and your group number. You can click back to go back to your calendar. On the bottom of your calendar, your teacher will tell you what tool they use for your video meetings. If they use Big Blue Button, you'll click on Conferences. If they use Google Meets, it will be linked here. If your teacher uses Zoom, it will be linked here. Now, let's look at the folders. Again, notice that the folders are the same color as your calendar. For all your classes, Mondays will always be red. To look inside a folder, click on the caret and you will see all of your assignments. Notice that your assignments are labeled as 1, 2, 3, etc. to help you know where to start. Notice that your assignments are also labeled as class meeting, which means that you do it during class, or independent, which means you do it after class. I always start by clicking on number 1. Number 1 will usually be the slides from your class. You can click to see the slides here. When you're done, click Next. Here we can see we're on our second assignment, which is independent. If I'm confused about what day it's for, I can look on top to see the folder and the folder color. When you're done with the assignment, press Next. Notice that your teachers might use things like Flipgrid or Padlet directly inside Schoology. You don't have to go to a new website. For example, if I want to respond to this Flipgrid, I just click here and I can record my video here. Sometimes you might need to scroll down to see all the different parts of an assignment. When you're done, press Next. Notice that now I'm in the Wednesday folder, so I know that I'm done with my Monday work. Let's go back to our Chorus dashboard. Remember, click the Schoology icon. There's a few more things I want to show you. If you click on the magnifying glass, you can search. If you click on the calendar, you'll see all of your events and assignments. You can view the calendar as a month, as a week, or as a day. Up here is where you can message your teachers. Here you can see notifications, and here are your personal settings.